Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Bonfire Print on demand. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're looking a way for you to basically sell shirts for you to get funds, like for example you want to earn, or basically for fundraising, well, Bonfire is a great tool or a great website that you can use for getting those funds. So the first thing that we need to do here is open up any browser here, go to bonfire.com, and you should be able to access their website. Now from here, let's go ahead and click on the get started option or button here, and from here we'll be able to basically sign up. So it's going to first ask how would you like to start. So if you want to sell online, choose the sell online option, but if you're a fundraiser, go ahead and choose the start a fundraiser, or if you want to place an order, just click on the place an order. Now in this case, we want to select sell online here just to give you an example, and we have two options. So we have the start a campaign, sell a limited edition design, or you could go ahead and click on create store, so all products in one place. So let's go ahead and click on the create a store option here and just hit on continue. Now from here we have two options or three options here. So we have the sign in with Google or sign in through Facebook, or we have the sign in with email. Now in this case, I'll be using my Google here to make things a lot easier. So make sure that you agree to Bonfire's privacy policies and term conditions and just hit on continue to Google. And from here, just choose your account. And from here, it's going to say, thanks for signing up. So what are you using Bonfire for? Let's go ahead and answer this for personal use, for business or an organization, or as a content creator. So in this case, let's just choose personal use. And from here, tell us more about your goal. So go ahead and answer those questions. In this case, you will be redirected to the dashboard for Bonfire. Now, if you want to create your store here, just click on the Create My Store button here. And from here, it's going to ask for the title. Let's say we want to name this as this store here and just hit on Continue. And from here, it's going to start creating your store. Now, in the next page, it's going to say your store is almost ready. You need to customize your store, create a campaign, and publish and share. So let's go and click on Let's Go. So in here, it's going to ask choose your product layout. So we have the expanded, the compact. So go ahead and choose the type of product layout that you want to choose. So for example, I want to use expanded here and just hit on apply. Now from here, there are a lot of things that you could do here to customize your store. Like for example, you could go ahead and edit your header here and choose from the type of layouts and a lot of other things here, but I'll let you explore on the things that you could do here. Like for example, changing to dark, light, or the custom color themes here, as well as the store title. You might be wondering if you could use image or you want to turn this off. Now we also have the option to upload a logo here if you want to. If you click on it, you'll be able to choose an image and basically upload it into your site here. Now we also have the add social links, add a URL option, and from here we have the add a short headline, describe your store in details, and from here you can also add headings, add text, upload a photo, and embed a video. Now if you want to share the store, just click on share the store, and from here you'll be able to see the socials that you can share this through. Now we have Facebook, Instagram, Linktree, and LinkedIn, as well as X and Threads. Now you could go ahead and copy the link as well and share a QR code if you want to. Now in this case, there's a lot of things that you could do here basically, but we need to start creating our campaign. So let's go ahead and click on create a campaign here. So it's going to say saving your store if you made any changes on your store here. Now again, it's going there's a lot of things that we could do here on Bonfire. I'm trying to basically sum it up as much as I can to give you an overview on how to use Bonfire. Now in this case, we have the create your design option. So we have the pick products option, add text, find graphics, and upload art if you have art that you actually own that you want to use. Now in this case, we have pick products. So select up to 9 styles to add to your design. Now in this case, you could go ahead and select them as you can see. And from here, if you want to add another product, just hit on the add products option here and you'll be able to see all of the products that is actually available. Now if you want to go back here, like for example, we want to basically select this one, or sorry, select this one as an example, just click on save products at the bottom right and you'll be able to add that. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to design best practices here. So if you want to learn more, just click on learn more here, and we also have the need help if you need further help here. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to add text. So if you want to add text, like for example, hey now, and from here just click on add text. As you can see, we have hey now here. Now, once you've added your text here, you could go ahead and do other stuff here as well. So for example, we want to find graphics. So for example, we want to basically add this design here. You could go ahead and just grab this design here and just click on it, and you'll be able to add it in here. As you can see, this design, you'll be able to customize your own design, which is really cool. Now, once you've satisfied with your design here, you can go ahead and edit this as well. As you can see, we have the backward, send to backward, to back, forward, to front, if you want to do that. We also have the action here. If you want to duplicate your text, your design here, you can go ahead and do that as well. So to give you an example, I'm going to basically duplicate this one. Now, and here, what we need to do next is just basically apply this one. So what we need to do next is we have the upload art. as well. So if you have original art, again, original, you should be owning this. You have to make sure that you own it so that you won't get any losses or whatever. Yeah, in this case, let's just hit on next at the top right. And sometimes if your design is actually outside the printable area, make sure that it's actually within. So for example, let's go ahead and cancel this one, and we want to remove all that is actually outside. So click on the X here, click on the X here, and make sure that it's actually inside the printable area. Now, once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is just basically click on next again. As you can see, it's saving our design. It's going to say profits. So in this case, it's going to see or give us the details on our profits. So we have the how would you like to sell your how would you like your orders to be sent out. So in batches, increase your profit with bulk orders, or on demand, ship fast but at lower profit. So in this case, if you use the in batches here, it's going to estimate your sales. Like for example, if you've sold like 50, you'll be able to earn the estimated payout here. So this is the payout for this one. Now, if you want to use the on demand here, you'll be able to see your profit for each product here. Like for example, base cost. Like for example, if every time you sold a single shirt here, that is the base cost, selling price, you'll be able to earn the profit that is indicated here. Now, once you've done that, you've chosen your desired method here. Let's go ahead and click on next at the top right. You'll be able to see the how would you like to make money or fundraise. In this case, if you want to make money, choose make money, but if you want to fundraise, choose this one. Now in this case, we also have the accept tips at checkout if you want that. You also have the set first batch length. So at the end of each campaign, batch products will be custom made for your buyers. Now in this case, we have the first batch will end on November 28th and orders estimated to arrive by December 18th. So it's going to also ask you what's the best way to describe your campaign. So for example, we want to say we are an event. Now we also have the select additional tags. This is optional. You can go ahead and choose that, but for now I'm going to skip this one. Now we also have the shipping options here. If you want to add more, just click on more. As you can see, we have groups or buyer's choice. Now in this case, let's just choose standard here. And if you want to enable the advanced options here, which is enable all the referrals, you can go ahead. But for now, we're going to basically disable this one. Now once done, just click on next at the top right. And from here, we'll be able to basically edit our campaign itself. So we have the title. Let's say we want to say test here, and a description. Let's just say test. And from here, you'll be able to choose like full over hoodie, crew neck, sweatshirt, classic, unisex tee, and a lot more. Now we also have the option here, add to cart, which is how it's going to look like. And from here, once you've done or added all of the details here, like the about this campaign, describe your campaign in detail. If you want to add headings, text, or upload photo, or embed video, you can go ahead and do that. Now in this case, let's go ahead and click on launch at the top right. And from here, it's going to give us an overview. So if you want to edit it, go ahead and click on edit. But for now, we're going to agree to it and just hit on confirm and launch. Now from here, just let's wait for it to launch campaign, and you are now good. And that's about it.